Let's begin to do a beginning chain. Now the beginning chain, the number of chains you do is the same number that will be the loops on your Tunisian or your Afghan hook. Unlike crochet, some of the chains, they get incorporated into the first row. In this particular concept, the number of chains equals the row. So let's just chain a total of 10. So you're just going to wrap and bring through and push, and that's number 1. And then you push and wrap and 2. Push and wrap and 3. Push, wrap 4. Push, wrap 5. Push, wrap 6. Push, wrap 7, 8, 9, and 10. And what I've not told you is that I keep sliding it over top of the shaft. So we have the anatomy of the hook. We have the head, the throat, and the shaft. And you saw me moving it down to the shaft because the dimension of the shaft is what regulates the size of your chain. So we're going to begin the forward pass, which is the next part of this process.